every drawing needs auto dimensions, so Drew adds them for you. You can enable this in the settings, either for normal sheets or for body sheets. We only add dimensions automatically to parts because SOLIDWORKS can become really slow when adding dimensions to complex assemblies. The type and number of dimensions depends on the model type. Say for example you have a Weldment and you start a new drawing. Then we add 3 outer dimensions. When you create body sheets for each unique body, we also try to add angle dimensions, 1 length dimension and 2 profile dimensions. If you have a single pipe, for example, we rotate the main view and we show a diameter dimension and a thickness. If you make a drawing for a sheet metal part, we can also add the thickness dimension. And if you're adding a flat pattern view, we can add bounding box dimensions and bend to bend dimensions.